Welcome to the Fifth Beast Production channel. I am not a financial advisor and please do your own due diligence when investing. Blue chip stocks are the stocks of high quality, well-known companies that are leaders in their industries. These companies have stood the test of time and have gained the respect of their customers and their shareholders. They often make regular and growing dividend payments. With solid business models, blue chip stocks have produced long records of attractive returns, and that's made them among the most popular individual stocks in the stock market for conservative investors looking for places to put their money to work. Even if you've never invested before, you will recognize many of the name of the top blue chip stocks. That's because the products and services that these large cap stocks provide are part of everyday life for billions of people around the world. Some of the best blue chip companies you can buy are the following. Apple is one of the largest companies in the world, and it's been a pioneer in the technology sector throughout its history. With an array of products from its innovative computers in the 1980s and the iPod portable media player in 2001 to its iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches today, Apple has won a core following of loyal customers around the world who flock to buy the latest products. Apple also earns recurring revenue through its services, which include its groundbreaking iTunes, App Store, and streaming television businesses. Apple's market capitalization climbed above the $2 trillion mark in 2020. Coca-Cola has been a leader in the beverage industry for more than a century, as its namesake sugary soft drink has spawned a global empire. Yet Coca-Cola has also proven that it can change over time, and now the beverage leader has a much broader array of products including juices, sports drinks, bottled water, and soft drinks tailored for more health-conscious consumers. Rising dividends also make Coca-Cola stand out, with a streak of consecutive annual dividend payment increases that dates back to the early 1960s. And has put it among the top 10 dividend stocks in the market. Johnson & Johnson is well known for its popular consumer products including baby shampoo, Band-Aids, and Tylenol pain reliever. But Johnson & Johnson is a true healthcare giant, making a wide array of medical devices to help doctors and other medical professionals perform life-saving procedures. Moreover, Johnson & Johnson has a vast pharmaceutical business, producing medicine like arthritis treatment, prostate cancer fighters, and more. With its huge scope, Johnson & Johnson makes a difference in the lives of millions of people worldwide. Blue chip stocks are smart investments for investors of all kinds. Even if you're just starting out with investing, you're likely to be familiar with blue chip companies and the products and services they offer to their customers. Knowing something about the companies whose stocks you're buying makes it more comfortable to be an investor and a partial owner of their businesses. However, just about every investor can benefit from having a portion of their portfolio invested in blue chip stocks. It doesn't have to be a set percentage, as different investors will have different viewpoints about how much risks they want to assume. The more you want to preserve and protect the money you have invested in the stock market, however, the more attractive blue chip stocks will be as you try to meet your objectives and reach your long-term financial goals.